Hi everyone, what I'm going to show you today is how to replace this Volkswagen key fob battery used for different years, different models. The battery you will need, CR2032, you can click on the link below to get it online. Alright, so first we have to take the emergency key out. We press this button right here, as you probably know. Take it out. Now we have to take the cover. We do that by, see this silver top, we just push it left, okay, or to this side. Once again, this is the key. We push, take it off. Now there is this slot where the emergency key goes in, so we just insert and push, okay, and the cover comes off. Okay, once again, you can do it with a screwdriver if you want. But you don't have to. Maybe it's gonna be easier for you like this, either or. As I said, the battery CR2032. Now we take a small flathead. There is a slot right here, and I just put it in and take the battery out. Now this is a good battery, so I will use it again. First put this side, we push, press, and now we have to put the cover back, the silver top, and remove it again, and the emergency key, as you know. And that's about it. As you can see, everything works fine. Please like this video and let us know what you think. Thank you very much.